Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube creative studio. Today I would like to show you how to crochet this really cute little horseshoe for good luck with clover leaf. I will use 2.5 millimeters crochet hook. You will need a sewing needle, some scissors, and that's it. You can choose any yarn you like. I decided to use my favorite yarn, Tereska, which I love to use for toy and amigurumi crocheting. It's 100% cotton in one ball. There are 100 grams and 100 meters. This is not my own pattern. I got this pattern from my very best friend Milushka, and I would like to thank you very much to her for this pattern. And now I will prepare video tutorial for you so you can use it as well. So guys, let's get started. Let's start with a slip knot and then make a foundation chain. Please make this foundation chain a bit loosely because we will work single crochet stitches in the foundation chain and we will work on the both sides, okay? And let's make foundation chain 38 chains. 38. Here we are. And now chain 1, and this is a turning chain, and insert the hook in the second chain from your crochet hook and make a single crochet. And now work 1 single crochet in next 6 stitches, so you will have 7 single crochet stitches at the beginning. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7, and in the next stitch work 2 single crochet stitches. So let's increase 1 and 2. Okay, so you should have 7 plus 2, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Perfect. Now let's work 1 single crochet in next 3 stitches. 1 2 and 3, then increase, so 2 single crochet in next stitch, then 1 single crochet in next 2 stitches. 1 and 2, then increase, so 2 single crochet in next stitch, then 1 single crochet in next stitch, and increase 1 and 2, and then 1 single crochet in next 3 stitches. 1 2 and 3. Perfect. We are in the middle of our project, in the middle of the foundation chain, and now let's repeat the instruction. So make increase, so 2 single crochets in next stitch, then 1 single crochet in next, increase, 2 single crochets in next stitch, then 1 single crochet in next 2 stitches, 1 and 2, then increase, and then 1 single crochet in next 3 stitches. 1 2 and 3, then increase, and then 1 single crochet in next 7 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, and in the last stitch work 3 single crochet stitches in the same stitch. 1, 2 and 3 single crochets in the last stitch. Then turn your work and let's work on the opposite side of your foundation chain, and I will decrease. So I will join first 2 stitches together. So join 2 stitches together, then work 1 single crochet in next stitch, then decrease. So join 2 stitches, then 1 single crochet in next 6 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, and then decrease. So join next 2 stitches, one single crochet in next stitch, decrease, and now 1 single crochet in next 3 stitches, and again we are in the middle of our work. 1, 2 and 3, decrease, so join 2 stitches together, one single crochet in next stitch, decrease, and now 1 single crochet in next 6 stitches, one, two, 3, 4, 5, 6, then decrease, one single crochet in next stitch, decrease, and now 1 single crochet in next 2 stitches, 1 and 2, and now let's make 2 single crochets in the last stitch. Okay, 1 and 2, perfect, and we are at the end. You can join your work with a slip stitch in the first single crochet, or you can make a invisible join, and I decided to work one more row with slip stitches around all my project. This is what I really love to do. It will make a really nice edge around the project, and also the project will be a bit firmer. It will hold its shape firmly. One slip stitch in each stitch, in each single crochet around, and I will meet you at the end. And this is it. I will show you how to finish your project with an invisible join, which I love to do it. So insert the needle under the first slip stitch you made at the beginning, and then in the middle of the last slip stitch you just finished. And now we nicely sew the first and the last slip stitch with an invisible join. You can hide the end on the opposite side of your work. And we are done, my crochet friends, with the horseshoe for good luck. Hide also the end on the opposite side, and now let me show you how to make the clover leaf. Let's make a magic ring, then chain 1 and chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Now work 2 double crochet stitches into the magic ring. 1 and 2, then chain 2, 1, 2, and make a slip stitch into the magic ring. This is the first leaf. Now chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and 2 double crochets into the magic ring. 1 and 2, chain 2, and a slip stitch into the magic ring. So we just finished the second leaf. Now chain 3 and 2 double crochets into the magic ring. 1 and 2, then chain 2 and make a slip stitch into the magic ring. And let's make the last leaf. So chain 3 and 2 double crochet stitches, 1 and 2 into the magic ring, chain 2 and slip stitch into the magic ring. This is it. We just finished 4 leaves. You can leave it as it is. You can close the round with a slip stitch into the first chain at the beginning, or you can make a stalk. So chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and now chain 1, and let's make a slip stitch in the second chain from your hook, and then slip stitch in next 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is it. And now make a slip stitch into the magic ring, and we are done. Perfect. You can leave longer tails for sewing the clover leaf on the horseshoe. Okay, now let's make a knot and or 2 knots and tie the magic ring as much as you can. Perfect. And I will starch a horseshoe a little bit to have a nice shape of this horseshoe. And now this is it. Okay guys, this is my horseshoe with a clover leaf for good luck. We believe that the horseshoe is for good luck in our country, so I don't know how it's in your country, but this is a nice gift for everybody all around the year. So it measures 7.5 centimeters. The width is 6.5 centimeters. And the clover leaf measures 2.5 centimeters. And the longer part is 3.5 centimeters. So guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video tutorials. If you like it, please give me your thumb up and don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel. We believe that the horseshoe with a clover leaf is good luck, so I would like to wish you also good luck with your crocheting. So take care and bye for now. Bye bye.